Hello and welcome to a new episode of ZomCast, ZomCast 31 on March 26, 2021. I'm Mehdi, I'm the host of this podcast, and this week we will be talking about just some developments and updates in the technology world. But um, uh, Although I had promised last week that I will have an episode of a tutorial episode for Python, I will delay it for the next week, and I apologize for that because I need to come up with some material for that, and it takes some time. So this week we will have a short episode in which I'm reviewing some latest news in technology and especially software. So, uh, following the latest developments in the US in terms of the political events that question Facebook and Twitter's involvement in the U.S. U.S. events, U.S. political events. Tech giants grilled about fake news by U.S. Congress. This is from BBC. And the other one is Apple Music, say lists to help with speech issues. This is also from BBC. And Apple adding some new feature called Say List to help with speech issues. So I guess that's something that helps people that have speech problems and speech issues. And Python is more popular than ever from Wire. So Python, uh, you know that it's a very popular programming language, but it's in the latest statistics and latest surveys, it has turned out to be more popular than ever. And article of the week is how to choose the right laptop, a step-by-step guide. I suspect that this is a very useful article for a lot of people that intend to buy a laptop. It reviews different aspects, different things you need to consider before deciding to buy a laptop. It considers OS, OS aspect, hardware aspects, RAM and hardware, RAM, CPU, hard disk, and other aspects of the laptop that you might want to consider before buying a laptop. So that's it for ZomCast this week. As I told you, it's a short one. Please hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content. And follow us on social media at CodeZombieNinja. And I see you in the next week.